In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly for free appointment scheduler software, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a shareable booking link that lets people pick a time with you without the back and forth emails. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. On the homepage, click Login. You'll see the sign-in screen, enter your email address, and select Continue. Next, type your password and continue to access your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the Calendly homepage where your event types live. This is your hub for creating and managing booking pages. To set up your first booking page, click Create. From the options, choose a one-on-one event. This is perfect for individual meetings like consultations, interviews, or quick check-ins. You'll now customize the basics. Give your event a clear, friendly name that tells invitees what the meeting is about. You can also add a short description to set expectations and reduce no-shows. Choose a duration that fits your needs, such as 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Pick something that balances your availability with how much time you realistically need to cover your topic. If you want a time buffer before or after meetings, you can adjust that later in the availability settings. Next, select the location. Calendly supports options like Zoom, Google Meet, or a phone call. Pick the one you use most. If you choose a video platform, make sure your integration is set up in your Calendly settings so links are generated automatically. For phone calls, clarify who will call whom in the event description. Now set your availability. Choose the days and times you want to accept bookings. This determines when your link will show as open to invitees. Be mindful of your time zone and any recurring commitments. If you already have a connected calendar, Calendly will automatically block out conflicting times. Confirm who will host the appointment. For a one-on-one event, that's typically you. If you work on a team, this is where you'd select the specific host assigned to this event type. When everything looks right, click Create. Calendly will generate your event page and show you a preview. From here, copy the event link. You can paste it into emails, add it to your website, or share it in messages. Anyone with the link can pick an available time, and you'll both receive confirmations. That's it. You've set up a free professional booking page in minutes and made scheduling effortless for you and your invitees.